About a new airdrop that I just found out about, and it's happening pretty soon. So I found out about it here. This person, Intelligent Cryptocurrency, Dirk Crypto Diggy. Um, this is for if you hold the ICX token. There will be a snapshot on December 29th, 2021. So today is the 26th, so that's like in 3 days. So what you do is you can go to Twitter and go to Icon Foundation, and this is, if you click on it, Icon is achieving blockchain interoperability. So bridging technology. It's like bridging blockchains together, I believe. And it does here, see, earlier today we announced Icon's entry into the Polkadot ecosystem with this blog post. So they do things with blockchains. So basically you can click on here and this will take you to Icon. The future is crypto. And then if you go to the bottom of the page, okay, start earning. This is where they talk about introducing the IC token. There will be a snapshot token during the last week of December. And he actually said it was December 29th. So that's when the snapshot's going to be. And let's see. For holders, so all you have to do is hold the token, just buy the token, or if you already hold the token, then that's fine. And you have to have it in a non-custodial wallet, which is a wallet that you have your own keys, because sometimes the exchanges do not support the airdrops. Oops, excuse me. These holders will be able to claim an airdrop of IC equivalent to their ICX holdings at a later date. Let's see, read more. See, Icon 2.0 is finally bringing new blockchain. So let's see. I know you're not going to get all the tokens right away. They're going to be unlocked within 3 years. So you'll get, so if you have it's a 1-to-1 ratio. So as many ICX tokens you'll get IC tokens for it. If you have 10, you'll get 10. So there's only one snapshot, and he's saying it's on December 29th. It will be over 3 years because I don't think they want people to just dump on it as soon as they get it. So step 1, buy and hold IC in a self-custody wallet where you hold a private key. You can either just hold it in one of those wallets, or you can have it staked and delegated in the Icon network, or you can have it deposited with Ohm or balanced at the time of the snapshot. So for people that have it doing something else, that's fine too. IC airdrop to an address controlling ICX in any of these ways will be claimable through a single interface at the same time. So so you have to have it like hold the coin, have it staked or something like that until the last week of December, because so probably in January you don't have to do that anymore. Say if you just buy it just so you can get the tokens, and then in January if you don't want to have ICX anymore, you want to sell it, that's fine. All you have to do is have it, and then you'll be able to get the tokens. Or if you want to keep it and do things on the Icon network, that's probably fine too. If you wind up liking the coin. And it looks like there's also going to be an ICE network. So once you have these coins, you'll be able to, you know, once the ICE network launches, I think you'll be able to do things on there like stake it for rewards and, you know, the usual things and whatever else they have. The vesting schedule of the remaining 80. So I guess you only get 20% of it, and then the rest you get over a 3-year period. So if you're interested in that, you can come here. Like I said, you can find them on Twitter, and you'll find the links. And also the wallets that they have here, if you are interested in this. They do have unlocked true value networks. See the networks that they have here, you can see Ethereum, Polkadot. It looks like here's Harmony. I don't know every blockchain because I don't go on it all of them, but you could probably look those up if you want. But I know some of these. But anyway, you can start earning, and then it says download the wallet. I just got the Hana Chrome wallet. I got it on the Brave browser. But it looks like you can get these like for your phone, or this one's web. iOS, this is Apple. Android, if you have another type of phone that's not Apple, it's usually Android. And then the web is just like online if you have a computer. And then this is like browser based, either on your Chrome browser or you can do the Brave browser. So if you get one of those wallets and you can hold the coin in there. And then if this is like about if you code and stuff like that, you can get a grant. A grant is like a free money to like build dApps. dApps are, you know, like the things that everybody gets on where they do staking and everything like that. So if you're interested, this is like a new thing that's happening. And it looks pretty cool and exciting. So, but it's like really new. So the price of the coin, I saw it on Binance, and it's about $1.50. So what I'm going to do is I'm probably just gonna sell one of my coins or something like that. I mean, I could buy it with my own money, but I usually don't. I usually just have like stuff laying around that's just like hasn't gone up in a while or something. I'm waiting for it, and I'd sell it, and then I use that to do what I want to do. And then like this, I'm only gonna have to get these coins for like a week or two. So I'll probably get them, have them in the wallet, see if I can get the airdrop, and then later, maybe in January, I'll probably like just, I don't know if I'll keep them or not. I might try it out if I really like it. And if I don't, then I'll just, you know, buy my other coin back that I was holding for like a long-term investment. You know, like you either swap it out for another coin. You can do that on Coinbase. You can't really do that on Binance. They don't really have that option where I am. I usually have to sell the coin and then buy the other coin. But anyway, yeah, That's usually what I have to do. But anyway, I just wanted to let you know because there was a person that missed one of the airdrops. I made a video about an airdrop, and one of the people in the comments missed it, and I just wanted to let them know that there are other airdrops, and I'll try to, like, if I find out about them, I'll try to make videos about them in advance. This one I just found out about because I was looking around. There are a lot of other airdrops, but like the coins are not worth much. So I don't really want to make ones that, I mean, I don't know about this one. This one looks like promising, but some of the things are like, really like, like they call shit coins. So they're not really worth anything. So anyway, I probably won't cover those because they have, if you go to like Voss Coin, he's a YouTuber. He has like a list. He made a video about, there's a list of uh, and of of possible airdrops. Like MetaMask might have an airdrop, Saprify might have an airdrop coming up. Um, the other person, I think his name was Liger or something like that, and he actually has a list of airdrops that you can get for the XRP ledger. And a lot of them, I got a few of them and they're not really worth much. So I'm only trying to put the ones that are worth something, like the Solo airdrop. And there was another one that I missed. It was like Canary X, which is on the Songbird network. But there's another one that I made a video about, which is the Aqua token, which is on the Stellar network. So if the MetaMask and the other ones do have one and I find out about it, I will make a video. And I hope you like this content. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And have a good day. Bye-bye.